I just spent 5 hours cleaning my desk, sorting emails, and sharpening pencils, just to avoid doing one 10-minute task. Does this sound familiar? This is the productivity trap, and your brain is doing it on purpose. We love the feeling of being busy. We think movement equals progress. But most of the time, we're just running in place. Your brain chooses small tasks because every check gives a hit of cheap dopamine. It feels good, but it's killing your results. Now, look at the real task, the big project. The one that actually moves the needle. To your brain, this task is a fog. It's scary because it's not defined. Your mind sees it as a threat, not an opportunity. So, to feel safe, you run back to your emails. You answer 10 messages and feel like a hero, but you haven't moved an inch. This is the trap. You spend 100% of your energy on 0% results. You are exhausted, but the mountain is still there. To fix this, we need to look inside. Your brain is a high-tech lab, but it's running on ancient software. Meet the amygdala. It's your internal alarm system. Its job is simple: keep you safe. And to the amygdala, that big project looks like a predator. Then there's the prefrontal cortex, the logical boss. It wants the big results, but it's easily bullied by the panicking alarm. When the alarm goes off, your brain looks for the nearest exit. It looks for something easy, something safe. Cleaning your room or checking messages feels safe. Your brain rewards you for avoiding the threat. It's a bad deal, but it feels so good. But here's the catch. The longer you wait, the bigger the mountain grows in your mind. The fog gets thicker. We confuse busyness with impact. One keeps you in a cage, the other sets you free. If you want to escape the trap, you have to stop running. You have to face the mountain, and it's easier than you think. The first step to breaking the trap: stop the noise. Your brain can't focus on the mountain if it's constantly distracted by small sparks. Take the hardest task first. Don't check your email. Don't sharpen your pencil. Just touch the mountain. Focus on the 20% of work that brings 80% of the results. Everything else is just a mirage. When a small task calls for your attention, say nitrogen monoxide, it feels uncomfortable at first, but that discomfort is the feeling of growth. The mountain isn't a threat anymore. It's your path, and every step counts. Real productivity isn't about doing more things. It's about doing the right things. Subscribe to Master Your Mind. I challenge you, for the next hour, ignore your emails, ignore the small stuff. Just touch your mountain. You've got this. Mind patterns, understanding your brain, one step at a time. See you in the next episode.